use the Redken line. It's a professional line, of course. But I also have this line, so I keep a few lines on hand, but right now I only got these two, so I'm gonna stick to my shimmer and lights to wash it out. So I'm about to wash it out, y'all. I literally cannot breathe, but I'm about to wash this out, and then I'll be back with the results. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Taye, Taye. If you ever see that, that's me, or T, 3 A's, 4 Y's, 5 E's, mostly. If you ever see that, that's really me. But you know, by the title, you can tell we bleaching and dyeing my hair, and I just want y'all to stay tuned for the transformation. Okay, just stay tuned. All right, guys, so this is everything that you're gonna need, of course, to bleach your hair, dye your hair. So right here, what we've got is we've got some BW2 Lighting Powder. Yes, it was $11.99. I got it from my local beauty supply store. We got some 20 and 30 volume developer. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use yet, but it's probably gonna be the 30. But I got both of them just in case, because I haven't made my mind up. You're gonna need some lightening shampoo and conditioner, so basically a toner, a purple shampoo to be your toner for when you're done bleaching. And then you need your hair color, and then that back there is my shampoo, conditioner, like what I'm gonna use. Okay, so we're gonna do a little hair history, my hair history, how I got here, why I don't have no hair, period. It's all by choice. So I'm gonna insert some pictures probably right here. Probably gonna split the screen and insert some pictures so y'all can see my hair history. So for you all who don't know, I am a cosmetology student. I attend the Academy of Hair Design in Austin, Texas. But since COVID, we've been doing online learning, like online school, whatever. So that's my little spiel. We're gonna follow my hair journey in this little split screen. Like probably it's gonna be over here. So the first picture I'll show you is probably when I first went into hair school, what my hair looked like, and it was nice, full, curly. It was a auburn color, and it was box dye. And for those of you who don't know, box dye is very damaging to the hair. That is something that I actually did not know, and if I did know it, I would have just bleached it and dyed it like how I'm about to do it now. But you know, you live and you learn. So what I did initially is I cut off all of my box dye, and you'll see it like in these next few pictures. I cut off all of my box dye, I dyed it, I bleached it, had it bleached blonde, and I kind of had a blonde fro, and behind that blonde fro I had an undercut. So probably around March, I was like, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it all off because that's what I really want. So I went ahead and I cut it all off, and this is the first video that I took when I cut it all off. So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our BW2 powder, and on here make sure you read the directions of what it's telling you to do. So this BW2, it tells you to pour 6 level scoops of BW2 into a non-metallic glass or plastic bowl. Mix with one of the following Clairol professional developers. So when I do it, I normally eyeball it, but for the sake of the video, it says never to do a one-to-one with the developer, and never use anything higher than 20 volume for on scalp applications. So earlier in the video, I told y'all I left out 30 and I left out 20. So we'll use the 20. We'll just put the 30 to the side. So we'll use the 20 volume developer with 6 scoops of the BW2 powder. And this is my bowl. I got my bowl from Sally's. It came with the matching brush. Cute, real cute. And scratch that. Before you start, you're gonna Vaseline, or you're gonna need a protectant. I use Vaseline. You're gonna need a protectant to do your edges on top of your ears, like all around your forehead area. Just for protection, guys. You can never be too safe. And it don't really gotta be a lot. Is a need to say thing. Do not do this on wet hair. It don't matter if you got oil in your hair. It don't matter. Whatever you got in your hair, just do it on whatever's in your hair. Do not wash your hair. Is basically what I'm saying. Don't wash your hair. Don't brush your hair. Don't comb your hair. If you're bleaching, do not do any of the following, what I just said. Don't do it. Because when you do those things, they create little abrasions on your head that the bleach can get into, and that will burn the living daylight out of your scalp. And it's not going to be fun. Alright, now, you need gloves, people. You need gloves. These are powder-free, latex-free gloves. Use the kind of gloves that you like, but you need gloves. Period. So we're gonna mix our bleach. Boom. 3 scoops, right? Like I told y'all, I normally eyeball when I do my bleach because I know the consistency that I need. But for the sake of the video, like I said, I'll follow the directions on the thing. Okay. This is exactly the consistency that I need for it to do what I need it to do. I did 3 scoops and about 1.5. I did 3 to 1.5. So 3 full scoops of the bleach and 1.5 scoops of developer. And that is the consistency that I got. You don't need anything running for sure. This is an on-scalp application. So I also forgot to mention you need a cap. But let's get into this. I could have used my hand to do it just to make sure that I got like everywhere. Okay, y'all, so this is what we looking like after we've toned it. Okay, let's get into this color. I'm kind of feeling this. You know, I could do me some pretty finger waves. Or, you know, I could just do my regular waves like I've been doing. But I could do me some pretty finger waves. But I think we're going to get into this color real quick. Ew. I can't wait. So, let's do it. I'm gonna grab me another bowl to pour my hair color in. I also got this bowl from Sally's. I have plenty of bowls and brushes. So, I keep a bag of brushes. Yeah. Oh, this is dark. I don't know, sis. This is really dark. But that's the color that I want to do, so. Oh my god, that is dark. I'm psyching myself out. Because this is what's on here. That might work. Y'all, that's really dark. Okay, let's do it. That's the color we're doing. That's the color that was picked, so that's the color that we're doing. Oh my god, that's dark. Y'all, put Vaseline on. I'm sorry, I forgot. It's like bleach. You gotta put Vaseline on. Just in case you get the hair color on your forehead or something, it'll come off. Y'all, that's really dark. That's like darker than what I expected, to be honest. Like, oh my god. put the cap on, leave it on for 15 minutes. That's what the bottle say. I'm probably gonna leave it on a little bit longer. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can tell, but we steaming up under here. It's been a little bit longer than 15 minutes. This may have been like 20-25 minutes now. So we're gonna wash out this color and hope that I like it. If I don't like it, that's what I got wigs for. Okay guys, are you ready for the results? I need some better lighting, but this is how it came out. I wish I had my camera, but I don't. So since I don't, I'm gonna let this set overnight, put my do-rag on. Yeah, I love it. It came out perfect for me. It's not too red. It's a good cinnamony kind of color, like copper-ish, auburnish, like what I had before. So it's perfect. But if you have not already and you made it this far in the video, like, comment, subscribe, tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your friends, tell your family, because sharing is caring, okay? See y'all in my next video.